UII.io is a website where you can get paid for every visitor that visits your URL link. So whenever someone clicks on your link, you can get paid with this website. And the way this works is you sign up for absolutely free, you paste your long link in here, they will shorten the link for you, and whenever someone clicks on that shortened link, you'll get paid. The reason you're being paid is because when they click on that link, they're first sent to a landing page for ads. In short, they will be shown some ads. They can skip on those ads and go to the website. So essentially UII.io is splitting the ad revenue with you, which is really smart. And the reason why we are using this website is because it's pretty good, I tested it out, and it has a really high payout. In fact, they claim that they have the highest rate. Now to get started with this website, just go over to UII.io and click on the sign up free button right here so you can create an account. And you can do so by filling out your username and email address, create a password, and then agree to their terms of use and privacy policy before clicking on the register button. Once you create a brand new account, this is what it's going to look like. Here in the dashboard, you will be able to track your earnings, your clicks and how much money you've made. And here on the left-hand side, you will be able to withdraw your money. So once you have enough balance, you can cash out your earnings and you can spend that on whatever you want to. Comment down below what you would spend that money on. For now, since it's a brand new account, it has obviously zero balance, but we're about to change that real soon. So right here, it says new shorten link, I want you to click on that. So you can shorten URL links that take people to a particular video. Having a long URL link can just look unattractive and untrustworthy. So, shortening a link just helps make people want to click more. So you can paste that long URL link right here and click shorten. Now you will get this unique link, and whenever people click on it, you will get paid. And you'll get paid per 1,000 clicks. And don't worry because I'm going to share a platform with you, which you can use free of charge to advertise these links to millions of people every single day. It's not any social media platform, and you just need to do the work once if you follow all the steps from this video. So definitely stay tuned for that. But before we proceed to that platform,
we teach you to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
You'll need to come over to Linktree. This website is an absolutely free landing page builder. So you can add multiple links, in that way, maximize your results. You'll see exactly how that works. So just head over to Linktree and click on the sign up free button so that you can create a free account. To do so, enter your username and email address and just click continue. After that, create a password and then just click on register. And this is what it's going to look like once you log into your brand new account. Here on the right hand side, you'll be able to see your landing page, and right up here is your specific link. Whenever someone clicks on this link, they're being sent to this page. Now on this particular page, you can host different shortened links, in that way, you can make money on complete autopilot. Stay tuned to see exactly how it works. For now, you'll need to click on add new link. You can title this one whatever that YouTube video is about. So for example, I can just copy this YouTube video's title and paste it over here. And now instead of pasting the direct link from YouTube, I will go back to UII.io, copy the shortened link earlier and paste it over here. That way, as you can see, whenever someone comes to this landing page, they will be able to see a link on how to be more attractive. They can click on it, which will take them to a YouTube video that they can watch. It's a win-win situation. They will be satisfied because they're getting some value out of that video, and on the back end, we're also going to be satisfied because we will be making money from this website. The best part is we will get paid for each click. Now the more links you add to this landing page, the more money you're gonna make because you'll be attracting more clicks. So I'll go back to YouTube and find more videos, and that's what I recommend you do as well. Open up more of these YouTube videos and copy their URL links. Just click share and copy this links. Go back to UII.io, paste the long link over here, click shorten and then just grab that shortened link. Go back to Linktree, click on add new link and just repeat the process until you have multiple links on your landing page. Once you have all of those links hosted on your landing page, copy its link right up here. This is your specific link. And whenever someone clicks on it, they will be sent to this page. As you can see, this looks really nice. And it was absolutely free to create this page and to host it with Linktree. Now I have all these different buttons and links that people can click on, and I will get paid for each and every click. Now all I need is to actually drive targeted traffic to this page so I can get those clicks.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video.
And for that, I have prepared this entire article, this entire script, which I'm going to give you for absolutely free, just because you've been paying attention to this video all this time and have been supporting me. So here we talk a little bit more about being attractive and its benefits and whatnot. And this is a pretty good and useful article that people can read. But inside of this article, I added this section, top 3 videos to be more attractive. And here where you see this dot, I want you to paste your Linktree unique link. So as you can see, now whenever someone starts reading this article, they will come across this section, top 3 videos to be more attractive. They will be intrigued since that is what they are interested in. As they are reading this article, they will click on it, and they will be sent to this page where they have all of these different buttons that they can click. And each time they click, you make money on complete autopilot. It's a really great strategy, and it works like crazy. But stay tuned to see where you will need to share this article, where you will need to share this script. Now I highly recommend you add your Linktree unique link in multiple places, not only just in one place, because they might miss it. But if you put it in multiple places, there's a higher chance of the link being clicked and people taking further action. Now, where exactly are we going to share this article? To answer that, let's proceed to the next platform that we will be using, which is called slideshare.net. So this is where millions of people gathered to read different articles on many different topics. And there are a lot of articles that are related to being attractive and self-improvement. And just as an interesting fact for you to know, if I pull up my tool called SimilarWeb, that's going to show us that over 82 million people visited this website last month. And you can share your article on here for absolutely free. So you have a potential of reaching hundreds of millions of people with this website. Now obviously, you will probably not get 100 million clicks. But this still gives you an idea of how many clicks you can get for absolutely free with this website and how much potential this has. So let me show you this. If I type in attractive in the search bar, you can see that people are sharing these types of articles, people are interested in these. So just come over to slideshare.net, click on the sign up button right up here and create an absolutely free account. And once you're through with that, just click on the upload button, select the files or documents to upload, and you will be able to publish it on this website so people can start reading it. Now bear in mind, if all of you copy this same article, this same script, it will probably not work the best for everyone because people might start noticing it. So that's why I highly recommend you to try writing your own articles in different topics that don't necessarily need to be about being attractive, but it surely can be about self-improvement. And you can try and test out with different categories and different niches and see what gets you the most clicks. You just saw that this strategy was really simple and very easy. It doesn't require a lot of time and no investment needed, but it can definitely make you decent amount of passive income. Even so, I know some of you want to earn more, some of you want more side income.
And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.